Hey, fans! We're here with an exciting video of 11 gadgets that are at another level. This latest gadget can elevate your daily experience to new heights, so now, buckle up and get ready to watch our video on 11 gadgets. This innovative device is a game changer for cleanliness enthusiasts. Operating as both a vacuum cleaner and a blower, it effortlessly removes crumbs from your keyboard, eliminates dust from your smartphone speakers, and clears dirt from your camera lens. With an impressive airflow of up to 33 meters per second, it runs for an hour on a single charge. Additionally, it features an LED light for added convenience, all available for just $120. Position your smartphone against this hexagonal device, and the pre-configured app instantly launches. Monk Mode efficiently minimizes the time spent fixated on your phone screen. This hexagon, aptly named the Minimal Tag, proves ideal for both office and home use, particularly in smart home setups. The Minimal Tag is available for $24. HoloSwim 2 takes the form of swimming goggles, offering a unique twist to the traditional smartwatch. Within this innovative format, it showcases essential data such as time, pace, and distance traveled, all seamlessly stored in the dedicated app. These smart goggles keep you informed about incoming calls even while you swim, and a single charge ensures a remarkable 4 hours of usage. The HoloSwim 2 is available for purchase at $169. With numerous countries grappling with unprecedented heat waves, the imperative for a solution is evident. For instance, in July 2023, China faced temperatures soaring to 52.2 degrees Celsius. In such challenging conditions, the QOOLA Pro mini air conditioner emerges as a necessity. Simply attach it to your head, stomach, back, or any preferred location using a strap, and it effectively cools the air down to 12 degrees Celsius. A fully charged battery ensures 8 hours of refreshing coolness, all available at the affordable price of $89. Surprisingly, this toy doesn't come with a much lower price tag at $61. However, for this cost, it promises to astonish your mind with an optical illusion that defies gravity. As the toy spins, it creates the illusion of the ball levitating, leaving viewers in awe. The creators invite buyers to unravel the mystery themselves, offering a hint that no electrical or magnetic components are present in the toy. Snowfeet PRO is akin to a ski in the size of a skate, touted as the most versatile version globally. Compatible with European footwear sizes 38 to 47, it also seamlessly integrates with ski and snowboard boots. Tailored for skiing across diverse landscapes, from ski resorts to parks, it caters to the enjoyment of both novices and seasoned individuals in skiing, skating, and rollerblading. A pair of Snowfeet PRO is available for purchase at $195. This flashlight boasts a beam that extends up to 136 meters in energy-saving mode. A single charge can sustain 360 hours of continuous operation. The strobe mode serves a practical purpose for self-defense. However, the true standout feature is the spinner affixed to the body, making it evident in the dark. This remarkable flashlight is available for purchase at the price of $29. Even a hand warmer can fetch a price as high as $135 these days. Simply integrate a 5000 mAh battery, maintain straightforward controls, and emphasize its ability to warm your hands in just 3 seconds, providing relief from pain after a long day's work. According to the creators of this projector, their aim is to instill inner calm through comfort. The projector achieves this by incorporating interchangeable cartridges that unveil breathtaking views of our universe. This unique feature enables you to embark on a journey spanning 8,000 light-years without leaving the comfort of your room. For example, you can marvel at the Lobster Nebula. The projector provides a 360 degrees rotation and forward-backward tilting. With a single charge, it offers 6 hours of uninterrupted use, all available at the price of $120. Cutics combines the features of a thermos bottle and a Lego set. It keeps your beverage warm for approximately 12 hours while encouraging you to unleash your creativity by assembling a unique work of art with its hexagonal parts. The basic set, priced at about $35, includes a 473 ml bottle and 150 parts, available in up to 3 different colors chosen by the buyer. For those seeking to express their inner Picasso, the creators offer it for $39. Loomee transcends being merely a new experience, it represents a true revolution for readers, as asserted by its creators. This compact light ingeniously illuminates both pages with adjustable brightness and color temperature. Its attachment to the cover is damage-free, and a single charge lasts up to an impressive 15 days. Furthermore, the creators are actively developing an app that assists in understanding your reading habits and setting personalized goals. While the exact price of Loomee remains undisclosed, you can stay informed by leaving your email on the creator's website. So, that was our list of the 11 gadgets that are at another level. Thanks for watching our video, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.